Still living life on the edge without a carbon monoxide detector? Really? The Hembisen carbon monoxide detector has a super accurate sensor. No more false alarms. This thing is high reliability at its finest. Forget complicated setups. This is plug and play. So easy. Just plug it in and you are good to go. Worried about battery life? No stress. It powers down when there's no carbon monoxide detected. When it senses CO gas, it blasts an alarm at 85 decibels. That's loud enough to wake you up from a deep sleep. The LED display shows real-time CO levels. You can keep tabs on air quality with just a glance. Don't wait until it's too late. Get your Hembisen CO detector now. Your safety deserves it, so make that click happen.